So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share an ongoing promotion from Dr.Web Security. This is the giveaway page, and you'll need to play a small game. Your task is to find 5 items from the given list. Just follow my steps carefully and click on the items I'm showing on the screen. Once you successfully find all 5 items, a pop-up window will appear. Now enter your email address to claim the gift from the company. After that, check your email. Within a few minutes, you'll receive a gift from Dr. Web. As you can see in my case, I received a 12-month subscription of Dr.Web Security Space for Android. Make sure to check regularly using a new email address, as you may also get free subscriptions for other Dr.Web Security products. You can use temporary emails from the internet for this. Now, the most important part is registering the subscription. Click the link provided in the email and fill in all the required details to register it to your account. And that's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.